Good morning, January 30th. We keep moving forward. The music hints that today's Advent embrace is the Ingenuity Workshop. So it's time to master skills that make life easier. Today's message is: try reverse planning. From deadline back to today. Reverse planning is a time management technique where you build your schedule from the finish line to the present moment. It's used by global giants such as Honda to see real-time limits clearly, reduce deadline stress, and uncover hidden time costs. This method isn't only for work. It's perfect for everyday life. Preparing for events, exams, or important meetings. How does it work? Let's look at a festive dinner example. Define the exact day and time when everything must be fully ready. Define the final step. What happens at the very end? We have 3 hours. The finish is 7 p.m. Guests arrive. The table is set. Move backwards, step by step, asking what needs to be ready for this step to happen. Assign times. Analyze resources and risks, materials, knowledge, help, and possible delays. 6:55 p.m. Final touch. Smile at yourself in the mirror. 6:30 p.m. Setting the table. 6 p.m. Hot face. Main dish in the oven. Salad preparation. 5:15 p.m. Ingredient preparation. 5 p.m. Preparing dishes and work surfaces. 4:15 p.m. Quick grocery run if needed. 4 p.m. Start. Menu planning. Checking supplies. Shopping list. The reverse chain continues until you reach the present moment. If the schedule feels too tight, It immediately shows what can be simplified and delegated. Why does this work? You see whether you truly have enough time, not just in theory. You focus on the result. Notice dependencies and identify obstacles. Try this method for your morning routine. Count backwards from the moment you leave home to the alarm, including coffee, shower, and searching for keys. Find your magical tool. I believe in everyone. Your Ingenuity Workshop from Adam's Embrace.